today we're doing another clean with me video. I'm so excited about this one. We're transforming our main bedroom, and oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. I'm not quite done decorating it, but you're gonna see a huge transformation, or at least I think it's pretty big. So this is the start. So you see we have new nightstands. I'm so excited. We've had these little bar cart nightstands in our room since we moved in, and I loved the look. But I was ready for something a little bit more adult, and so I'm just fixing up the bed, and then you're actually going to see me completely change it. I go to TJ Maxx like right after filming this portion of the video because I was just so determined to make it look brighter. I just feel like our bedroom was so dull and dark, and I just wanted to feel like warm and inviting whenever I came in after work. So you're going to see me change it, but I got these new baskets to put underneath in the little empty part of our nightstands just as a little catch-all. I'm taking this lamp out of our room. I'm so excited, you guys. I bought this lamp off Amazon for $25 just because we needed one for downstairs, and I moved it up here and I was ready for it to go. So this is the first part. I got these lamps at Target and I thought they looked really cute, but then I decided it was just a little bit too dark for the room, and I didn't love the white lampshade. I thought it was just too matchy-matchy, and I wanted that farmhouse look, but I just didn't like this vibe that much. So then I went to TJ Maxx and I found these perfect lamps, you guys, and they were $25 each, and the lamps that I am taking out from Target were like $60 each, so way better find. And I love that they're gray and they have some texture to them, and they have a beige lampshade, so when you turn the lights on, it's just very warm and inviting. And then we got a new quilt, which is such an achievement. We have been looking for the perfect quilt topper for our bed for years, and this was the perfect shade, the perfect material. Oh my gosh, you guys, can I say perfect anymore? Because it's perfect. So I love that, and then you're going to see me change a few things even later on in the video. So my clip deleted, so I included this photo, but you guys, I'm obsessed with how it turned out. this problem with their dogs, but my dogs love going up to this front window. It's the front of the house. They put their nose all over it, and I have to clean it. I swear, like 5 times a day. It gets so dirty, but it's just one of those things. Do your dogs do the same thing to your windows? Please let me know in the comments down below. So I have a question for you guys. Do you prefer candles or an essential oil diffuser? I had a diffuser years ago and I thought it wasn't potent enough, so I went back to candles, but now I'm kind of thinking about going back to diffuser. So please let me know. I always have candles burning in the house because I just love the house smelling so good. But let me know, what do you think? Subscribe and hit the post notification bell if you want to be informed of my videos. And I'd love for you guys to follow me on Instagram too. The links are always down below. See you in my next video. Bye!